First, you want to show the outside of your property, showing how big the driveway is, how much parking spots there is, and these would all impact how much work there is going into your project. And then you're going to walk down. In this case, we're working in a basement project, so I'm going to show, okay, you have a nice gravel pathway down, so it's not going to be slippery in the winter. We come on to a backyard with a nice table. So, I can make this into a makeshift staging area, put a cover on it, protect my material from the rain. Coming inside, you want to show that, turn the lights on ahead of time. So you don't have to, do it, while you're fumbling with the phone. And just show me everything from left to right. Just go slow for each room. And if there's anything on the ceiling, then you want to show me what's on the ceiling and what's on the floor. So imagine if you want to show me this bathroom, you're going to say, okay, this is what the bathroom looks like right now. Give me a pan left to right, floor to ceiling. So I can see, okay, there's a light register. There's 2 pot lights. There's a fan, usually, right? So now I have a pretty good idea of what this bathroom looks like. And then, just keep holding the camera, coming in, and show me everything from another angle. All right, so this will really, really help. And so you want to say, okay, you know what? Now that this is this bathroom, and I want to show you behind the bathroom, there's a furnace room. So chances are there's going to be water supply and the drain already exposed, which makes the bathroom job a lot easier, right? If you don't have these, then, if the furnace room was on the other side, for example, over here, that makes the job a little bit more difficult, right? So this is all very helpful information to know. And then coming in here, you can say, oh, I also want to make these stairs more sturdy. So, what I did here is I made these all to the proper legal height. So you can show me these. And you can say, oh, Tian, since you don't have a bathroom downstairs, we have a powder room right up this door. So you just open the door, show me the powder room. And that way I know there's a place, for us to use as a bathroom. And there's also a water source, right? So this way you can really show the entire space without, in just one little video. Send it on YouTube, Google Drive, Dropbox, however you want to do it. iMessage, WhatsApp, and give me your address, fill out the form with all your contact information, and then we can get the project started. All right, take care.